Welcome, and let us look at this next question. Determine x in 7 times 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 10. So the first thing you're going to do is rewrite this particular term using the laws of indices. So it means what you have is 7 times 3 power x plus 3 power x times 3 power 1 is equal to 10. So the next thing you're going to do is identify that 3 raised to power x is common. So you can factor it out so that you have 3 raised to power x into 7 plus 3 power 1, which is just 3, is equal to 10. So this is the same as 3 raised to power x times 10. 3 plus 7 is 10, and that's equal to 10. So just divide both sides by 10 so that we have this one here once, here once. So we have 3 raised to power x is equal to 10 over 10, which is 1. So now we can use one of the laws of indices that says that any number raised to power 0 is 1. So we can as well say that 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0. This is the same as 1. So the bases are the same, the powers must be the same. So it means therefore that x is equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.